It's Saturday, March 10th. We're out here in Allegheny County on Bull Creek doing some delayed harvest fishing. We got Tony over there and Kate.
And then we got 10 retards fishing one hole down upstream.
Yeah, there's like 20 people fishing a hole upstream, so we're gonna fish down through here a little bit, delayed harvest section, and see if we can catch some trout. So I just hooked up with my first fish of the day.
My fish!
Who caught it?
Mine!
Oh my god. Get that bitch in.
Looks like a brown trout.
Oh, Kate's
God
got
damn.
her. I got my line.
There's Katie catching a rock. Grab it, Mark. Don't drop the kid.
So we've been out here for a while. I've only caught one fish. Katie's taking a time out. Tony is under the bridge. It's like 20 degrees out.
You're racist.
Nah. Just chilling. Katie's just chilling. Here's the hole we're fishing. Up on Bull Creek, the delayed harvest section. See if we can catch a couple more fish.
Hey, $100 says a fish breaks off.
Tony's finally hooked up. His first trout of the day. Looks like a rainbow, maybe.
Yeah, it's a rainbow.
First fish of the day. First fish of 2012 for this kid right here.
Kiss it, Tony.
Hey, Kate,
We're used
didn't
to
we have a
kissing
bet?
fish.
Didn't we have a bet?
No,
Huh?
there's only unless I won.
So far, I caught a brown trout, Tony caught a rainbow, and
Caught a rock.
Katie caught a rock. Okay. Hooked up with my second trout of the day. Looks like another rainbow. Decent sized one too. Nice sized fish. We got Tony on the other side of the creek,
Oh, come on.
looking like he's about to fall into the water to get his rooster tail off of the tree branch that he snagged it on. And he just broke the whole branch off. Well, I think he got his lure back. So I'm hooked up again. Looks like another rainbow. It's another decent sized fish. Well, I caught my fourth fish of the day. It's a brown trout. Nice fish.
Breaks your line.
Is it
Yeah, go ahead. Show him your
caught
fish.
another fish. This one's a pretty decent sized rainbow. Or a brown trout, I mean.
Hate you. Ooh, that is big. Show him your fish, Mar. Well,